Well, hello, my friends. My name is Miss Cat, and today we have a special drawing class doing one of the absolute cutest characters, Miss Hello Kitty. So I'm going to teach you how to draw Hello Kitty, and then you are going to be coloring her on your own. You'll see that the colors that I chose to use are pink and her nose is yellow, but you can do it in any color that you want. Let's go ahead and get started.
Teaching kids art through comics, cartoons, and books. Comic Kids!
Okay, everyone, it's time to start drawing Hello Kitty. And we're actually going to start with her bow first. So I want you to find the middle of your paper, and we're going to go ahead and draw a circle. Just a little circle. That's going to be the beginning of her bow. Very good. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the rest of her bow. I want you to watch how I'm doing this. I'm going to go up, around, and over. It's kind of like a soft triangle a little bit. Do you see how it's got these different points? And I'm going to come and do the same thing over here. That is the beginning of Hello Kitty's bow. Very good. Now we want to put two little details in the bow on either side of the circle. I just put a little semicircle there, and I'm going to come over here and do the same thing. Very good, my friends. We have a bow. Excellent. Now the next thing we're going to do is Hello Kitty's head. We're going to start right up here and draw the top of her head by just drawing a little line that goes like this. We're connecting it to the bow. Very good. The next thing we're going to do is draw her ears. So she's got these cute little kitty ears, and we're going to do it right behind this bow right there. I'm going to come up and over. That is one of her ears. Excellent. Over here, we're drawing the other ear. So I'm going to come up and down the same way I did over there. Very good, friends. Now we're going to draw the rest of her face. I'm going to do a big semicircle here. Watch what I do. I'm going to come around just like that and tuck it in behind her bow. Awesome! Hello Kitty has two oval eyes, so we're going to find the middle part of the face and go down just a little bit, just like this. I'm going to do one oval here and another oval here. Very good. Let's add her nose. It is another little oval right there. Wonderful, friends. To do Hello Kitty's body, we're going to come down here under her face, and I'm going to do a cute little body just like this. So I start by doing a curved line like that, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. There you go. So we have two of the same lines. The next thing we're going to do is create her legs. So we're going to come to the bottom of these lines and watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to find the center part. See that little dot that I just did in between those two? And I'm going to connect my leg and do a little line that goes up. So I connected from over there and came up, and I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and give her a little curve, and this is the top of her outfit. That little curve is the neckline. Next, we're going to draw a line straight across, right where the legs are, and that is going to be the bottom of her pants. Okay, friends, let's go ahead and give Hello Kitty a little arm over here. Just like that. It's just a little curved line that starts from her face and goes into her body. Excellent. We're gonna give her a sleeve. So I'm just gonna draw one line like that, like she's wearing a little shirt. Very good, friends. I want Hello Kitty to be waving her little paw at us. So I'm gonna come over here, and this arm is gonna look a little different than this arm because you're gonna see a thumb. I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna do a little bump like that. Do you see what I did? That is a thumb. And then come around and back to the body. This is her other arm waving. The next thing you're gonna do is add a little line just like that. Very good. And now Hello Kitty has a sleeve. And the very last thing we're gonna do before we color our Hello Kitty is give her some whiskers. So I'm gonna come over to this side of her face. On the inside of her face, just like this, I'm gonna draw 3 whiskers. 1, 2, 3. When I say inside, I mean that the lines are gonna pass into the face. Very good, friends. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. 1, 2, and 3. It's okay if your whisker goes in front of the hand. It's supposed to look like that. Very good. We have drawn Hello Kitty. Let's start coloring. Go ahead and take out your markers or your colored pencils. And there you have it, my friends, the cutest little Hello Kitty you ever did see. Great job, everybody. Great job, my friends. I hope that you had fun drawing Miss Hello Kitty with me and that you are inspired to do more art. I will see you real soon. Comic Kids is a nonprofit helping children in the community learn art through comics, cartoons, and books. To learn more, see our website at comickids.org and follow us on Instagram. For more videos like these, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.